Okay, I am back from the dead. Oh, I ate some ghost pepper stuff today. Carolina Reaper powder. It says to use sparingly, so that's what we're gonna do. I can smell it and it's already burning my throat. Gosh dang it, use sparingly. That's pretty sparingly. It's kind of like really hot wings. It's actually, it's tolerable. It is making me sweat. I'm sweating. It doesn't hurt that bad. And my stomach started burning. I needed to lay down for a bit, kind of digest, so it start feeling better. I don't feel 100%, but we're doing a little bit of a challenge today. We're gonna see how many fish we can catch in 1 hour. I've done this challenge before, but we've started now. I've done this challenge before, and I think my record was 32, which is a lot of fish within an hour. Let's see if I can beat it, but yeah, my stomach is still just on fire. I do not feel great at all. There we go, first fish. Doesn't count unless I touch the leader. Okay, leader's touched. Fish here. First fish. There we go. Next minnow. We can do this. We can catch a lot of these fish. Just like that. I got another tub of minnows on the go. Okay, here we go. There we go. That is the biggest walleye I've ever caught out of this lake. Maybe not. Touch the leader. I should pinch this barb. There we go. Number 2. That was a little aggressive. I'll work on not doing that. Let's pinch this barb quick so that unhooks. So unhooked. Let's unpinch this barb quick so when we have to take them off the hooks, it's not so difficult. Okay. Oh, there we go. I'm on fire. Leader's touched. Barbless hook in the lake. Man, how many fish do you think I can catch? We're already at 3. I'm gonna lose count, but oh, I should tighten that drag up. There we go. There we go. In the boat. Still have a little minnow tail there. Hit start on that timer, right? That wasn't just a fever dream. Oh yeah, it's going. Oof, missed him. Probably lost my minnow there. Definitely did. Leader's touched. Fish is off. There we go. Coyotes are going off. This lake was super windy and busy earlier. Now it's nice and calm. It's kind of nice. There we go. I'm gonna need to get into my new tub of minnows soon. I think we're at like 6, I don't know, I've lost count. Basically where we're fishing right now is just like right, there's a weed line, right there. We're just right on the edge of it. The fish come, and they pick it up and they eat. But this fish is a bowl, and there's so many fish just swimming around in here. It's absolutely ridiculous. Most of them are just cookie cutters, but this isn't, that's actually, it's one of the nicer ones that are in this lake. I really shouldn't, but yeah, that would have been a keeper. I think they just stole my bait. Yeah. I'm just set up in 15 feet of water. We're here in August. But this lake is very strange. Gotta quickly do a battery replacement. Yeah, I might have let you swallow that a little too long, buddy. I'm sorry. Okay. There we go. Bait thieves. My stomach's acting up again. These fish are a little ridiculous. They're just playing games with me now. You kidding? There we go. Sorry about that. As my stomach was trying to digest what I had eaten. Yeah. Oh, no. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I tried. Let's finish this tub. Oh, there's still a minnow. Life advice. Don't eat spicy food like that. Let's power through this. Let's see how many fish we can catch. My stomach hurts. We got 40 minutes left. We can do this. Oh, we can do this, Zach. How much time? 38 minutes. Okay, Zach. I know your stomach's burning. You can get through this. You have no one to blame but yourself. Fresh pack of minnows. I should split these in half, actually. Because they're not eating. If I put a full one on, they're eating. They're picking the tail off and getting the whole thing. What? There we go. Size doesn't matter. Just as long as we're catching, it's a numbers game. I could beat anyone at this lake. I'm going through it, man. My bait's gone. Outwitted. Oh, okay. That's a nice one. That seemed painful, buddy. I'm just using a tiny little chunk of minnow now because these fish just keep stealing bait. It's kind of ridiculous at this point. Oh no. There we go. They keep picking it off, so you have to put the smallest little bit on so they have to actually inhale the hook, not just bite the tail off, you know? Oh, there goes my minnow head. Okay. So basically, through the eye, through the body, and then I rip it off. Because I can't have them keep hitting it short. I'll run out of minnows. I don't even know what that count is. We are killing it though. Oh shoot. There you go, Timmy. And then after I use the head, I use the tail. Same way, but I hook halfway through. And then boom. I really hope I break my record even after getting sick there. There we go. Ugh. I knew that one hit it short. You can kind of tell when they do. There we go. How does that happen? Because I keep having that happen where it just sputters like that. Like, is it my reel doing that? Or what is it? We're doing good, I think. I don't know. I haven't kept count. I probably should have, but I have not. Can't be too much time left, actually. I must be running short on time. How much time? Time check! After I catch his fish. Okay. Does that count? No, I didn't touch the leader. So my phone turned off. How long has this been running? 37 minutes. Okay. Okay. There we go. Touch the leader. Touch the fish. There we are. Okay, that thing's been running for 37 minutes. well, that doesn't count. That doesn't work. Okay, and I didn't bring a phone charger. So I'll wait for that to say an hour, I guess. Or did I? Nope. That one says 28 because I had to change the battery. Okay. Come here. Let me touch the leader. Yeah, that's the rule. Leader touch, fish counts. Okay, let's catch another. Oh dear, I just wanted us in. When I edit it, I'll determine what was an hour and what wasn't, because it doesn't really matter. I don't even know how many fish I've caught. So at the end of the day, when it's all tallied, I'll have the thing go for an hour and 15, and then I'll call it. Or until I don't think I can fish anymore. There we go. I'm pretty okay at this. You know what? I'm feeling a lot better after my pepper experience there. No, my stomach's no longer burning, which is good news for me. Bad news for the fish that I just threw up in there, and the fish are gonna be like, ooh, spicy stuff. I wonder if fish can feel spice. Leader's touched. Nice. Clearly I'm feeling better, and I want a Zimbabwe. Ripped it out of his face hole. I want a Zimbabwe. Was that worth it? Was it worth losing that fish? Maybe. Was it worth losing my bait though? I don't know. So peaceful, so quiet. No more water skiers, no more tubers. Just a bunch of fishermen on the water catching some walleyes. Some guy trying to make a YouTube video. Yeah, come in here, buddy. Let me unhook you. Oh yeah, you're deformed. I don't know how much time I have left. $15 minutes, I guess, maybe. Oh, darn, I lost that one. That one's gone. That was a nice one, too. I have 15 minutes left. As soon as I get distracted. See? I went to go get a drink of water. Who says people can't multitask? Ooh. Nice. Some good lake water. Fish just not want this headpiece. Fish no want head. Oh. There we go. Touch the leader. Counts because I touched the leader. It's a pretty liberal leader though. Leader's touched. Fish is touched. And hooked. And in the lake. What I wanted to do for my 1,000 subscriber special was come out here for like 3 days, 4 days, however long it took. Catch each one of you a subscriber. And I tried. And yeah, no. It's a lot of work. And you gotta keep track of all the fish you caught. I could have bought one of those clickers. From a little ADHD, I would have been like, oh, I'm not supposed to click that. Leader's touched. Fish is touched. Maybe for another YouTube special. When I have 3 days of, if I ever get to 10,000, I'll catch every 100 of you 1,000 fish. How about that? That sun is almost down. I don't have lights on this boat. I think I just had my bait stolen again. Maybe not. Oh yeah, definitely that time. You gotta, because I'm boat flipping these fish, this hook's getting a little bent out of shape. Not ideal. How much time do I have left? 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 more fish in 5 minutes. Well, I can do that. Well, 6 minutes. Leader's touched. Fish is in the boat. Ow. Ow. Why did I just throw a whole minnow on? I don't know. We'll really let him take it though. It worked. Just had to let him really take it. There we go. Ooh, 2 minutes. Spice it up. There we go. Oh, he dropped it. There we go. Spiced it up, switch sides. Free. I would usually retie by now, but we only got a few minutes left. Yeah, he took my bait. He took my bait. He took my bait. I have no idea how many fish I've caught. This will probably be like the final countdown. This fish might not even count. Depends on when I get him in. There we go. There he is. Leader's touched. Okay. Okay. Can we get one more? Can we get one more? Can we get one more? I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna count. I'll cut it off if it doesn't count. Can't believe my phone died on me, but that's okay. This is the last one. Last bait. Might not even count. Depends on what is an hour from when I hit start. There we go. I gotta get off the water. Okay. Leader's touched. Fish is in. I believe that's an hour. Okay. Last fish. I'm gonna get off the water, so I'm gonna let future Zach do the introduction for me. 38. It's a new record for me, and imagine how many more I could have caught if I didn't get sick. I was sick for probably about 5-10 minutes. But nobody watches these introductions anyway, so if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you really liked it, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.